Hello everyone, I am Tutarkhan Khanbayev and I am excited to share my project with you. So let's begin. Plastic waste is everywhere. It pollutes our land, oceans and even the air we breathe. I want to find a way to reduce this problem by creating biodegradable films from natural materials. That's why I started working on this project. The Parish Collaborative Idea Lab is an amazing opportunity for me to get expert feedback, connect with other young innovators, and take my idea to the next level. I believe this program can help me turn my project into something real and impactful. About myself, I am a high school student from Kazakhstan and I love chemistry and finding creative solutions to problems. I have done different research projects in science and innovation, and I enjoy working on ideas that can help the environment. I worked on this project alone, but used a university lab to conduct experiments. And regarding my project, it's called Pectin-based biodegradable films. It originated from the plastic crisis that isn't just an environmental problem, it's an urgent global threat. If we don't act now, plastic pollution will soon become irreversible, with microplastics contaminating food, water, and even the air. The world produces over 400 million tons of plastic each year, and most of it is not recycled. It takes centuries to break down, causing devastating effects on ecosystems and human health. We need a real alternative, one that is more sustainable and scalable. And the idea of my project is to take the cheapest, most widely available fruit waste, like apple peels, and turn it into biodegradable films that can replace plastic. The key is using material that is both abundant and easy to process. That's why I chose pectin. It's found in almost all major fruits and vegetables. Unlike other alternatives, my method is fast, cost-effective, and requires minimal processing, making it easy to scale up for mass production. The goal is to create a solution that isn't just eco-friendly but actually competitive with plastic in terms of cost and performance. And here you can see the actual prototype. And what makes my project unique is its simplicity and efficiency. While most biodegradable film research focuses on complex or expensive materials, my approach is different. I am working on the easiest, cheapest way to manufacture these films while keeping them durable and practical. Pectin is the best candidate because it's found on nearly all popular fruits and vegetables, as I said. I started with apples because they are one of the most widely consumed fruits, but the method works for many other sources. This means my solution isn't just a single project, it's a scalable, adaptable ecosystem that can be applied worldwide. It's two steps ahead of current alternatives, making it a win-win for both the environment and industry. And saying about the progress, after many experiments and optimizations, I developed the best formula that balances strength, flexibility, and biodegradability. I tested different compositions and materials to bring my idea to its final, ready-to-use form. This is more than just a research project, it's a step toward a real-world solution. The impact of such technology is massive. If applied on a global scale, it could significantly cut plastic waste, reduce reliance on fossil fuel-based materials, and create new sustainable industries. This is about transforming waste into value and reshaping how we think about everyday materials. And finally, why I need exactly the Page Collaborative Idea Lab, due to the perfect place to develop my project further with expert guidance and connections. I can refine my biodegradable films and explore ways to bring them to market. More than that, this program will allow me to meet other innovators and will share my vision of a cleaner, more sustainable world. I am excited to take this idea from my lab to the real world applications, and I believe this platform will be a crucial step in making that happen. And thank you for your attention.